Onto the unhealthy air quality. Do smoky skies have you concerned about that poor air quality? Blame it on the wildfires burning across California and beyond. Residents everywhere being warned about that unhealthy air. Gina Silva, she's live for us in Burbank with a look at how people there are trying to cope. Gina.
Well, Marla, as you said, the fires are to blame. We are dealing with toxic smoke, and as you know, that's very dangerous. And of course, people are trying to just deal with all of this. And today, it seemed to be the worst.
You can't really breathe this, and honestly, it's the first time I've ever seen on my iPhone, it just says smoke for air quality.
Thick, smoky, hazy skies. This is the view throughout Southern California.
It's gray, it looks gloomy. It doesn't look good.
No, it doesn't, and it's horrible for our health. The air quality has been in the unhealthy range for days now.
I'm a Southern California person. I've been here for most of my life. I have not seen it like this ever.
Dr. Ali Jamehdor says there's been a spike in the number of people heading to the emergency room with breathing problems.
There are people coming in with asthma exacerbations, COPD exacerbations, mainly people who are pre-exposed to having airway problems.
The San Gabriel Valley and the Inland Empire have been hit the hardest because of their proximity to the fires. The toxic smoke hovering across these areas forced the closure of several COVID testing sites and parks.
It's real smoky, and it's rain and ash on my car. I want a car wash.
In the San Fernando Valley, Burbank street performer Bobby Strange says the unhealthy air is definitely taking a toll.
It's like a whole weight on you trying to sing through it.
The best advice is to stay indoors until the air quality improves. But if you have to work outside like Bobby, it's advisable to wear a mask.
In the 7 years I've been out here, I've never felt it quite this heavy.
Wasting time. And take a look at the phone right now. Burbank, 68 degrees, and yes, it still says smoke. Bad air quality, that is for sure. So if you're not going to be going outdoors, you don't have to. It's best to stay indoors. If you do so, close the windows. And I know, like Marla, you love to run outdoors. Exercise is important. But for the next few days, a treadmill would be a better choice. I'll send it back to you in the studio.
Gyms are closed, though, you know? That's the whole other thing. But, Gina, I did not run today. It was just too awful out there, so I hear you. So do we know when the LA County parks will be reopened?
Well, Marla, it's really on a day-to-day basis. They're going to take a look at the air quality, and if it improves, they'll reopen. But for right now, they're planning on closing them through the weekend. So we'll have to just keep an eye on that.
Okay, all right. And I did check my phone, everyone's phone just says smoke. Yeah, I had never seen that before.